Hello, David Waldorf here with an unboxing video for you of Terraforming Mars Turmoil from Stronghold Games and Fricks Games. Now this is the retail edition, not the Kickstarter one, so it does not have the upgraded player boards that the Kickstarter featured. But let's see what's inside. This is the same sized box as Colonies and Venus Next. Here we have some pieces. These are the delegates in each of the player colors. They are a little smaller than I had envisioned them being, but this is what they look like. Look at a couple colors here so you can see them really quick. Sort of like a sort of a bust shape. There you have it. You can even see there's a little tie on the figurine there. So that would be those. Each of the player colors plus these gray neutral ones. We have some cards, which I'll set aside for a moment. Another white cube. The rules book. The cardboard. That's a tile to replace the Terraformer one on the base game board. These are the two game boards that come with the expansion. If you don't know already, this is a sort of a political expansion for the game. So let's punch these out. There's one of them here. These are, I believe they call them policies. So that is what they look like. And they will fit right into this space, on the game board. So, taking a look at the cards real quick. Alright, we have a couple more reference cards. We have a bunch of, I think these are called event cards, maybe. Global event cards. So that's what the back of the card looks like. And then the fronts of the cards are, oh, that's the advertising card. But and those would be the new corporations. Take a look at those in a minute. But so these are the global events cards. Look like this. Obviously some new icons to get used to. The corporations. If we can focus here. There we go. Lakefront Resorts. Prissar. Septum Tribus. Terra Labs. Utopia Invest. Those are the 5 new corporations. Notice that they have the Turmoil symbol on them there, so you can tell them apart from the other corporations. And then there's a handful of new project cards, also with the Turmoil symbol in the corner. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but looks pretty similar to the artwork we've seen in some of the other cards. So that is it for Terraforming Mars Turmoil. Thanks for watching.